Yo, Merry Christmas to you all my Christian viewers out there. So today I'm going to be showing you guys graphic design with the Renderforest website. This graphic design function is just a new function that was integrated into the website. So if you like the video so far, smash the thumbs up button down below. I'm giving 10 seconds because it might like the video and forget to like the video if you get that. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, hey guys, let's get started. So to do that you have to click get started also, but you might just skip that part and just open your browser, type renderforest.com, and boom, you're at the home page. You're here, you're at the Renderforest home page. So what I'm trying to show you guys today is the graphics design function that has now been integrated into the Renderforest website. In the last review that I did in the playlist, actually the playlist link is in the description. In the last review that I did, the graphics design function is not yet available. So now that it's available, uh, I'm going to show you guys how to use the graphics design function that is now integrated into the Renderforest website. So to do that, you have to type Renderforest.com on your browser. Then when you're on this home page, if you're new to Renderforest, then you have to sign in. And if you're new to Renderforest, I suggest you watch the playlist from the beginning. So I'll drop the list to the playlist in the description. So this I might have said this earlier, this is going to be a very short video because I'm not going that deep into the graphic design because it's just one function actually. So to do that, just click the two lines in the top right corner. So once you click that, you click on just design graphics. As you can see the grid dot to show that it's new, you click the design graphics button. So once you do that, so it brings a list of templates that you can use for the graphics design. So there are a lot of templates right here. There's the New Year celebration design, new collection from pack, big Christmas sale printables, festive Christmas sale pack, all the great and visual sale, digital thumbnail, office visual kit. So there are a lot of, for the template there are a lot of sizes. So for this New Year celebration size or the design, there are 4 sizes and 35 but if I'm not sure if uh the the YouTube thumbnail size is available. So the 4 sizes are available: Facebook cover, Facebook post, Instagram story, Instagram post. So let's actually look for let's actually look for uh, a design template with 5 sizes. That should include the uh, YouTube size. So I think I saw a 5 size design right now. So okay, vegan there kit design kit. So I don't know if I'm actually going to find. Okay, this is a YouTube size. So just click on it to display some some other templates. So I'm actually looking for a template with 5 size that is going to match a YouTube. Going to match the YouTube video size. So uh, I'm not into the food stuff. So let's just return back and just find something that's cool to work with. So the vegan diet design pack is not cool to work with. Actually, while trying this out before making this video, I've actually found uh I found a template, a design template that I can actually use that has the Facebook size, that has the YouTube size in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead there and click that. Okay, so let's click on load more. Okay, this is where the what the found is the music response designs. So there's actually template, design template, or scene that is actually there that actually matches what I do. Okay. Oh, did that update the template? Oh, let's get back and let's find something that uh actually goes with what I do. So five sizes. Actually, why am I clicking in food? Am I hungry? So we are not actually into the food stuff on Remedy Tech. We're actually into textile. So I need to find a design template with something like a laptop in it. So I actually found one when I was trying this out. Okay, but I don't actually remember the name. Okay, I think we're almost there. Uh, oh, very cool. A very cool design template. Post-pandemic solo designs. Kids vlog, birthday greeting design kit, architectural portfolio, classroom plan visual set. Let's check the if there's the YouTube side. No, just a poster size. I get back and let's actually use this the category. Let's search and choose a category. So I'm gonna choose a YouTube thumbnail display. So it displays design with YouTube thumbnail sizes. So let's just scroll through. I got some designs done. Okay, gaming, Instagram acts, music video, beauty guru, music release. Another entity is wedding. So, what is this? What is, so I couldn't find uh the design template with the laptop in it. So I just down for a gaming a gaming graphics. So let's just choose a gaming video thumbnail variety and uh it's the only site it has the YouTube thumbnail size, so it's a very good one. So let's just search for a template that we can use. I'll go with the first one. Let's edit the graphics and once it brings you to this editing page, what you have to do is just play around with some. You can add text, edit text, replace the images. For the colors, you have to subscribe now. You have to subscribe. Uh, join the subscribe to their plan. You have to become a you have to pay to add colors or stuff like that. So once you play around, you can replace the image. Uh, just play around. Once you play around, you can then download the graphics that you have created. Just click on download. Free download low quality JPG. You don't mind? Just download the image. So once you play around, just click on the download button and click the free download. You can also pay to download as a PDF and other benefits. Just get your package there. They have a price plan. To get to know more about the Renderforest price plan, what the Renderforest review, link in the description. Once that is download, once you click download, it takes you to your project page. There's the graphics tab under the project page. This is actually the graphics we created now. So I didn't do much. I didn't edit much. I uh just showed you that you can also edit the graphics uh stuff. So just after that, just click download, then download it to your mobile device. After doing it, you can open it and check it out. So you create a new graphics. You can use it for your YouTube video, your YouTube thumbnail, or a banner, a YouTube banner. So well, at the end of the video, guys, if you like the video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button down below. I said earlier, I forgot, so I'm reminding you right now to like the video if you like it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to continue watching Smash my tutorials. Peace.